Hey, this is Mewa Bawumia Akwawa. Had the latest hot news kwa enamide bremu enti se wunya subscribe to the channel na bomodi say over subscribe. What they are say over click the subscribe button na wa barely notification no. When sa new video be upload when the first person I would say better be. After so we are na wa like video give us a thumbs up na fi share ma ofoforo so na wonye bi na wo hwe na wo hu ne yakoso e wo Ghana me mu. Afriyie hwe eye ensema abeto yapono so yinti ensemu ya yakoso yinti ensemu.
Mo te Ghana na Kwasiato bi from who journalist no mo dada mo Azure Jimmy obetro thesis tin Kwasiato teni aboa Azure, one of the biggest liars in Ghana, parading on the streets of Ghana. Kwasiato so that word and Azure onye djuma papa bia sa boy no ope kromfo journalist or kromfo Azure sa boy no ye Jimmy wo Ghana ntira ye Jimmy na Azure credibility be no since Okwa reporters are confirmed too. Has he been able to come to clean himself up? This is a dirty guy, a dirty riffraff. 10-year boy and the onutina sada say Azure nanko samu chini buni kom Kwasiato ne nam Ghana. They are writing thesis free SHS abua Azure menyini jano ana mumu we say yankwara o I don't say Azure menyini jano small boy Jimmy Gabi muna mani sika Kwasia report and who Azure na obechire yene what free SHS is abua funu. Such a criminal boy feasting on his wife's hard work, doing nothing in the name say I am a journalist. Oh yeah, dang foolish boys. When we no say Ghana no, the name say ayuom. Oh, the name lines say ayuom. What is Ghana and Kwasiade recently? I heard say the GJA is saying Media General should sanction Captain Smart. Where's the story? Before I go to the bombo-clad budget, I saw this story. GJA calls for Media General to sanction Captain Smart over comments against NPP. This new GJA president, the way Jimmy Chen be dia. Obi be pana tope boso ho. Yesi jantre ni bi ye be de boso na ho. Nefu no kutafun mienu. Why say tikerengere. Obe ko na office na Owusu be mpate wo. Otafre ne to. Onim so e bisexual. Otigana na Kwasiasam bibia besintrima na oka. That guy, I have spoken with him on my phone before with Jimmy Chen bibia. Obekona Ernesto Owusu be mpate the office. Otiti one says politicians wait. Now, yes sorry ya or say GJA calls for Media General to sanction Captain Smart. Adanya Captain Smart e kan otwi mu. Senka Captain Smart asema okan say wa and obeto Abama NPP bia no se bi wa adwene nyedwuma nko kan brofo ankan kwasa semu nko mo nkyro. Unim za. On say Captain Smart asema okan say send wo Ghana na hu de ekoso Ghana nyina na se okoto Abama NPP wa adwene nyedwuma no. On say okan ne twi nti o ma be kyerɛ say Captain Smart eye de Media General for omon sanction no. Seka Captain Smart kan brofo ankan Kwasiafo nko mo nka hwe. Eni ntina Polademochi gina ho o ejimi no ho. When they can Kwasiasem with TV, so political show chair Polademochi. Some GJA president or bisexual, or bedding, or yeah, in the story about or yeah, in the story at 2 mano. Captain Smart can't cheat dear. Now, on kind of saying, now, and what should be a dollar war? What should unemployment rate? What should the killings? What should the corruption rate? What should the corruption index, the perception? What should all the nonsense happening in Ghana? Like I said, Obiko Tuma NPP and Adrian Yejuma Wakabone, where Jimmy, who journalism on Tiasie. He issued statement anyhow. Mrs. Sir, me who GJA president why is a foot soldier? A chair jantre ni bi anya party no na namasie. Obeko Instagram no na namha no kuta phone miensa. Me say why pen down up no shoot. Pa baby tina to sing. You have a problem with Captain Smart? Go on to me radio. Go to Woon to me radio. Go to Woon to me. Ko hen Kwasiade omutiwo eyo Woon to me. Ko sompa ko Kesbin FM hwe Kwasiade omugu zoo ho eye wagya tenkra kan Kwasiasem ko zoo ho ne ko hwe Kwasiade omuye no zoo ho ofui kan say sanction Captain Smart ada Captain Smart do katwi oh obi nim de so no mo katwi nti omo ya kromfo oh obofo de so katwi nti o kromfo oh asofo na omo katwi de omo ya kromfo emom dodo ne ya kromfo na omo ka brofo ne Omo ka brofo no. Omo ye senior armed robbers. Omo de omo ka brofo nti omo nya akromfo. Ghana. Asofo omo ka brofo nyina 80% ye wifo. Twifo no 80% omo nyina epe. There's no difference between sofo ka brofo and sofo ka twi. Mutu fin. Who should sanction captain? You go and sanction him. Mese Kozu ho ne kohwe de esi wo Kesbin. Kozu ho ne kohwe de esi wo Wuntumiti radio. Kozu ho. Ene de monte ho ko Angel FM. Amotia na ne nsantientie se kokuo no. Sa boy na heni adana hemu no. Sa Kwame Afifa na papa benya ace beda atema no. Kweku oti na wonya nkwase sika wo mu de onya and the companies nyina egu no. Ko Angel ho ko nkwase ade omto wo ye. Kwasia muntumi sanction omo. Go to Angel FM. Aketia bana ninsase kokuo no. Kwame Afifa na oto na. Otena radio so kache nkanfo no ngwafo so mo ye moa. Abua stupid GJA President. Wanti. You are a foolish man. Sorry, a foolish lady. You are a foolish lady. And I only Ghana odi nkwasi asem. Ye nkam asem. My political journalist for nam Ghana. E yanko kan we, yan kan against we so a man for betan ye. Hey. Mo dia mo fam Jimmy nimbra kakra. Ye be yi mu videos atoto ho. Me say mo dia mo fam Jimmy nimbra kakra. I have his number on my phone. I have spoken to him before in his office. Me, I don't lie. I've spoken to GJA office. I'm no man show. GJA President. The number the number is 0243 926104. I have his number on my phone. I've spoken to him before. Mumusano. Criminals. You don't allow people to do the right thing. Would you see Jimmy? Nobody's going to be spared. Mo besa mo krake hwepo no. Mo starting free zoo ho. Kwasiade comfortable radio so ye. You this foolish woman. You are leading GJA and you are fooling yourself. Hey, mama nipa charge ya ohu. Mon send message when come no, me meaning rough. Messiah, what's this? Messiah the omi hiti na ko fa bibia ba. GJA President, me see every day who be call the office na Owusu be mpa neto. Or says the politicians for ska. Ka o politicians the tomano. Edian credibility. You this woman, if you don't take your time, and I'm talking to the GJA President, I'm addressing you as a woman. Come out and say I'm lying. If you don't take your time, so when theater breaker. So when theater break. Now one show to Kurudima. Nani papai villa. Ya van dam the bag, one no better tea. Oh my pai villa na ya civila. One no better tea. Shut up. You want to check the system? You know where to check. You know where to go and what to check. Kwasiafo we go to me radio so, Angel radio so, hwe kwasiade a omo ye. Tribal statements causing religious conflicts. Lying, blatant lies, no facts. Kwasia onte. You have a problem with Captain Smart. Me matana kan de bia. I have my own problems with Captain Smart when it comes to some things. But I will not allow you to use that stupid position to intimidate anybody in Ghana. Send me her picture, Mr. S. I think say his WhatsApp status on the picture that's what I'm showing. I'm showing you the GJA, the woman who leads the GJA. Oh, this one does not have a picture. I'm call the other one because you see me. Mami, let me show you his picture. I will say I'm Kwasiade. This guy. On your position week, I just said, oh, so this is what he's doing. Now, what he's doing, okay, so he has that setting on his phone whereby you take a screenshot of his DPR. Basically, it's not going to allow you. Mr. S, pull the picture for me. And let me show them this woman. You see, you think we don't know? We know everything. When you say you this, Mr. S, get me the picture. And you are sanctioning Captain Smart. Because also be able to Abama MPP no Sandy Pano or shed the AC or Ghana or better what to Abama MPP and Ajuni Yejuma or say they should sanction him. Wouldn't maybe a sanction nipa Kozuho. This guy. I'm showing this woman. Tell this woman I said Oya Bema on your thing. Namen Chireno. Yani de Obaye, Yani Asu Dubeko Fie. Wey, one can't check this woman. Tell this woman. Me say you people should tell this woman. Ontinani bonkum. Does she know how to check the system? You, this woman, do you know how to check the? Do you know? Remember, boy, power, remember, cost that low, but careless now one maintaining level. We will enter the gutters with you. You, this woman, be careful. All right. Now, let's look at the budget. Today, something actually came up, and it's got to do with the budget of Ghana. And Maminya would tell them, kakra yatino, namenka wasam na yamfa, jumadi no embra ni wiye. So I'm for brofone bedoso, but Benya would say, Emma Messiah, thank you very much. Today, when Amin Adams came to Parliament to speak, to tell us about Ghana Sika Semono, we were all waiting for one thing for him to say. Ninyina say how he's going to stabilize the economy, how he's going to stabilize the city. And one no. Ejebo, ye be kan budget, ninyina say ye ko petrol dompa. Petrol ye ton the same. Yes, $100 na ye nya sen and one no. Ye be kan budget, obi ote swame, obi ote kokompe, obi okofa esichire, obi okofa anwa, obi ote Ghana contractor. The opeso who say oko no kosi $100 na it is saying and no. The statistics and the inflation and the statistical service and the equilibrium ni nyina enko bebia. Yes, brother be catch say what $1 so and no. That is all. The bomboclat budget, no, hopeless budget, no. Adeba ko pe and an enke pesa branti we beka. Anko buy an anko we catch Ghana for and the dollar no moko abontina $1 is to $2 Ghana cedis and one no. And the any person say we 1 Ghana cedis is to maybe a $2. Just say no kekene petie. So okay no nkwa ye bibia be okay. Vitamins na na pay. Ye de emfa ye ho ne eye de kokko aduro ede de den ye nim se enya vitamins sa problem ni nyina be solve enti de ne ye twa ne vitamins eno ano no enye boga se usie obi no kasa me ho mfa me a enche se bia na so ye ne ya owo yare bebre ba oyi 2 Ghana mana sa ne ho na emfa no betuma solve sa problem no enti ye ho mfa ye as a nation ye hia vitamins keke anka oba ye no na anka wato paper na to atwene Ghanaians. Today, as I stand here as your finance minister, when you step out and you go into the market, dollar is selling at this. And one no. Bibia subecha. You got to petrol 2 Ghana, 5 Ghana. And one no. The statistical service and the inflation rate and the if and no solve shade me. Do obeka ne nderi nyina enkwasiasem ensesa bibia unim se bibia dollar gina na hwa de gina bibia cedi gina na hwa de gina tibia to petrol no saa de to no inti nkwasiade obeye ne mfaso obeye ne baso na ibusa we simple we nye you don't need a PhD certification to the obeka ne nderi nyina no after 8 years obeka ne nderi no ochina petrol 15 and over dollar almost 16 bibia ensesa ye brofo ene nkwasia keka. Now, muntie the useless budget. Oka bibinde or say. Now, in some people utia I wanna say sana Jack, ye Jimmy Bruta. These people they cannot solve any problem. So we catch us NPP for solution to Ghana problems Sandy pan with Jimmy. So what just had any idea one with Jimmy. There's nothing left to omo. And on one case, 2024 mid-year budget review, or say, the provisional total central government debt as at end of June 2024 stood at 742 billion Ghana cedis, equivalent to 70.6% of GDP. So I'm a former here. My main kind of beam, Tiebrofuni ye. A honorable Samo, or my dad, I'm so with Jimmy. Or see the provisional, yaka provisional out here. Or see the provisional total central government debt. Or see a car ye day, but or the word the Biabisha, or see provisional. Say, Baba, or Ghana. No, be total rejected ballot 93,733,000. A provisional or beso chiro se abana or kind chiro no. Yen say a bit about 230,000 instead of 93,000. So obika say provisional chire say the all catch chiro no onye ni nkontan wie. Inti memfa nto tirim say de oka kyerɛ no ni nyina no. Into or see the provisional total central government debt. Into or see a kana or catch say and the Ghana dino. Or beso chum said you're all king and yeah no. A bonankasa or but Odin can't be chiro. No, akoyan kontani ya be catcher into or see provisional. Now, okay, brofuna or see the provisional total central government debt as at the end of June 2024. Or see Ghana kaya di. So Oko Bank of Ghana eka ya bo eguo asa aka no yensan ase ye da ho bu nkonta no bebia ye duru sisia no eye June no eye de 742 billion what about eye broni sikema $50.9 billion abuofunu odimi dia munyina mo munyina mo ko bi na bodam Ghana ho or see provisional. So what is here about TV so say oh where there ebiaba results ni biaba e dey say akoya owo eye akoya what TV trailer besides your friend saying akoya what results. I like this guy too much. The voice have the rough or be any show TV trailer. Good evening, this evening on our show I bibi kwanza. Now the results from Odododo is provisional. It's provisional. So what is almost a provisional? Next results so I 23,773. A bit to my 73,000 on fan and sunshine here. It is 742 billion. And yeah no. Or catch them say a cat at 1 trillion. Name yeah the whole young conta. Now the bit to my catch them say and say in crata money de baby you know. Yeah the cat $50 billion. That means say by December so Obana or the original na yasan ase ne ba de be kire wa over 1 trillion. Afewo. Ya deka buburo donko. Ya ka se o deka donko a ye betuma ton otumfo agudie nyina entumi ngewo. O deka DNA eka ebekwa akosi unana kanso so Africa can say Alfredo can say, good evening, this is TV3, provisional results. This is TV3. We can tell you, it's a provisional result. We can tell you, Alfredo, no. Oh, Kwasiato. Hiamu defe. Hiamu. Igovoi.
You're waiting for winning and someone Akoto. Now, so we now subscribe to the channel now, but more than say over subscribe. Now, feel so while like video no, now feel. Share my offer for so now when you be fair that one year ago. Also, betting actually what you have for a year and somewhere now, I will comment box in interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.